Hello, good morning to everyone. Welcome to Tech Easy. Today in this video we'll see how you can install HandBrake and how you can use it. See, this video will be useful for the people who wants to upload videos to YouTube in the 4K format. See here, I'm using the basic version of Microsoft Clipchamp. I didn't have any premium subscription. Just with the laptop purchase, I got this Microsoft Clipchamp. And whenever I export the video, when I try to upload it to YouTube, it is always 1080 pixel, 1080 pixel. Even though the video which is recorded in 4K, the ultimate output is .mp4 format. Instead, I can go to Google and browse HandBrake and visit their website. And here you can download, and I'll show you how you can convert this into 4K AVI format and then upload to YouTube. Okay, right? So file name is anything get downloaded. Yes, it is started 23.2 MB. What I'll do is I'll double click on this, and there is a pop-up appeared. Do I really want to install this? So I said yes in the prompt. So click on next, click on next. Instead of C programs, just for my convenience purpose, I'll be giving it to D here. Even if you keep it in C, it is okay. I just gave the working folder as D, so the software is getting installed in the D folder. So create a desktop shortcut. Yes, finish. So once it is finished, what I'll do is, there is a desktop shortcut. Is anything like here? Not yet. So yeah, here HandBrake, right? I'll be double clicking on this. You must install .NET Desktop Runtime. Okay, there is another software which I need to install. Maybe this software needs this particular software, so I just clicked on install. So it is just downloading the required plugin or the required software. So I'm going to install the secondary application which is dependent. Okay, Windows Desktop Runtime is the software you need to install. So I just clicked on the link which is given with the software. So I did nothing else. So I need to install this one. Okay, this is the application install, and I gave the permission, right? Yeah, Microsoft Windows Desktop Runtime. So if it is previously available on your computer already, maybe at that point of time it won't ask run. Okay, now I assume it is successfully installed. So I'm double clicking on the HandBrake once again. Yeah, see here, drop a file or set of files or folder here. That is what it is mentioned here. So the export from this one, Microsoft Clipchamp is ready. So I just saved it to my computer. Now what I'll do is I'll be opening this computer, and this I will be dragging and dropping it on here. Okay, no valid source or title found. Yeah. So now, and we'll see the options to change here. By default, this option will be something else. Okay, what you can do is, I will be changing this to web format creator. Previously this used to be YouTube option. Now it has changed to creator 4K. So I have changed it to 4K. And in the summary I won't do any changes. In the dimensions, it is already set to 2064K. Okay, maybe when I change this already changes all the options accordingly. Okay, For filters I won't touch anything. For video also this would be best, because Android versions, this video encoder format is the best. Okay, yeah, and this all audio codecs and everything, this software only it handles. Okay, now the only thing is you can do click on start encode. Okay, when you do that, see here at the bottom left you'll see the some processing bar, and to my surprise this encoding is also, this rendering is also fast enough, because yeah, this is a 2-minute video. Okay, if it is a 10-minute video or a 20-minute video, this would take at least up to like 30 minutes to 1 hour. Okay, that depends upon your CPU and the computer and GPU, etc. Okay, yeah, by this I'm closing this video. If you do have any other questions, you can ask, and we can also add some queue. Means the next video you must turn on automatic file naming. Oh, sorry, you can just add some next video to the queue. Okay, yeah, we'll see in the next video.